benefits will this deal bring to Galapagos?
Hi, Nejra. Thank you for letting me join your show. Yeah, the greatest benefit is that the partnership that we get with Gilead will actually allow us to accelerate our innovation, bring medicines to patients faster. We will probably double our R&D over the coming years. We will be making use of the great expertise of Gilead, especially in development, in manufacturing, and commercial. And last but not least, we will remain independent for the next 10 years. So we keep that culture of acceleration and entrepreneurship within Galapagos.
Why is it so important for you to remain independent, Andre?
Well, the answer is innovation, innovation, innovation. We believe that biotechs are uniquely placed to be risk-taking, to not shy away from innovation, where there is, of course, also uncertainty whether new drugs will make it to the clinic. Pharma is much more focusing on late-stage development and commercialization. And we think that if we were to become part of a large pharma, would be this risk that this innovation would slowly disappear. And now that we remain independent, we will be continuing to pushing novel modes of action, novel medicines to the patient.
To achieve those goals that you've just talked about, will you be hiring more? Will there be any significant hiring?
Yes, definitely. So obviously, Gilead makes a very large investment into our company, and we will be using those funds over the next years to grow our research, to get more novel targets into our laboratories and through research and development. We will also be expanding our commercial capabilities. As you know from this deal, Gilead gets the non-European rights to our pipeline, but that means that we will be setting up a European infrastructure. And as I said, we will probably double in size over the coming years.
Andre, do you expect U.S. drug companies to increasingly look to European biotechs for growth? Do you expect more impact on the sector more broadly?
Well, you see, this is definitely a very creative way to join forces, where a pharma basically gets access to all of our pipeline without M&A. There has been an example in the past between Sanofi and Regeneron, which is a bit similar. And I could indeed imagine that this could be a model for future alliances between large pharma and biotechs, where pharma is actually able to tap into the pipeline of the biotech, and the biotech enjoys the fact that with all this investment from pharma, they can accelerate their research. So yeah, I think you will likely see more of these models.